Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fantastic today. So in our last video for the series of SAP FI beginners, we explored the fascinating evolution of SAP. How it transformed from a simple enterprise software in the 1970s into today's intelligent cloud-based ERP. So now let's take the next step and dive into our next topic, which is SAP S4 HANA. So one of the most important building blocks in understanding SAP, FI, MM, SD, be it any module. So if you are looking to build a strong foundation in any of these modules, you are in the right place. Let's start with SAP S4 HANA. So short form is like high performance analytical appliance. Think of it as SAP's Supreme. It's a platform designed to process massive amounts of data in real time, delivering lightning fast insights, whether it's analyzing last year's sales or predicting next quarter's demand. HANA does it instantly. And why it how it works that way, and why HANA works instantly on all these data because of its in-memory database. Traditionally, during ECC times, or when we are in 1970, so we have seen the evolution of SAP. So when we were in like SAP 4 version, or 6 version, or 7 version rather, so we were using traditional databases, which store data on disks, but HANA stores data in memory in the RAM. So this means instead of fetching data from slow storage, it's instantly accessible. So maybe you can understand from this way that it's like, keeping all your important books open on your desk instead of sticked up in the library. So, it is instantly accessible anytime. Now, maybe this next important the parameter which HANA uses is column-based storage. HANA always uses columnar storage, storing data by columns, not by rows. This is perfect for analytical queries because it allows the system to read only the specific columns it needs, speeding up data retrieval and saving memory. Now let's understand OLAP and OLTP. So, HANA usually combines these two processing. So, what is OLTP? OLTP is online transaction processing. It focuses on day-to-day business operations such as posting invoices, payments, journal entries, etc. And data is updated in real time, and transactions are short and frequently. For example, if I talk about in SAP's term, it's like posting an accounting document in every 50. So every 50 is nothing but a transaction code. Maybe in coming videos, we will deep dive more into what is the transaction code and all that. Yeah. So if I'm posting accounting document in every 50, or a vendor invoice in every 60. So this is OLTP, which is online transaction processing. And if I talk about OLAP, so OLAP is online analytical processing. It focuses on data analysis, reporting, and decision making. So it uses historical and aggregated data for complex queries and multidimensional analysis. For example, in SAP, we are analyzing financial reports in SAP BW. So SAP BW is a different component of SAP S4HANA, or maybe on SAP Analytics Cloud if you are analyzing any data. So OLAP will come into the picture. So what HANA does in most system, OLTP handles transaction and OLAP handles analytics separately. But HANA combines both in the same system. This means business can run real-time analytics on live transaction data without waiting for batch processing. powers of SAP S/4HANA. So finally, S/4HANA is a powerhouse behind SAP S/4HANA. It's a foundation that makes real-time ERP possible, giving companies a single source of truth, faster decision making, and simplified processes. So, what is single source of truth is what we have just seen that okay. SAP works on column-based data. So we have different tables which are now based on columnar-based technology rather than on row-based. So it gives it is really giving companies faster decision making and simplified processes. So yeah, we have seen how it plays a key role in SAP FI and how you will be working with it to day-to-day processes. In our next video, we'll move to the next topic. So you can continue connecting the dots in your SAP journey, and don't forget to like, share, and follow so you don't miss the next session. Thanks, everyone.